Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories, essential oils. So we do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, live streams, makeup hauls, giveaways, then please go ahead and hit that subscription or that subscribe button. See, I have subscriptions on the brain. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. And guys, as always, please do remember to always check our description box down below. If we have any active giveaways, they will be linked in the description box. So anyway, for today's video, you can see we are unboxing the February 2020 Simply Earth. So this is an essential oil subscription, and I'm going to tell you briefly about it, and then we'll get into seeing what we got for February. So this is a $39.99 a month subscription. You receive 4 essential oils every month and different recipes. And you will also receive, in addition to your 4 essential oils, you will receive different items that will help you to create and make the different recipes that are in the box. Now, the really awesome part is I have a promo code I will put down below, as well as a link for Simply Earth. If you want to sign up, you will get your first box $39.99, but you will also get a big bonus box, and that is going to come with things like almond oil and coconut oil that are carrier oils that you need to create a lot of the recipes. It will also come with like empty roller balls, other empty essential oil bottles, like if you, one of the recipes is a blend, and just different things to help you make your recipes in future boxes. But it also comes with a $40 e-gift card for their website. So you're spending $39.99 to get the box, so you're going to get that plus the big bonus box and then a $40 e-gift card for their website. Kind of balances out to be free. So we're going to dive in here and see what we got for February. One thing I want to say too that I love about this subscription, I love when any subscription gives back, but this one I think is a fantastic charity. They do choose a different charity every month, but it's always themed around ending human trafficking. They give 13% of their profits to end human trafficking. And like I said, it may be different charities each month, but they're always going to be focused on ending human trafficking, which I think is fantastic and such a phenomenal thing for this company to do. So let's get in here and see what we got. All right, so when you open it, this is what you see. There's always some stickers here. So if you do the recipe and you have one of the roller ball bottles or one of the blend bottles, you can put it on there and you know exactly what you've made. And then it does always come, like I said, with our recipe cards. And then you can see the 4 essential oils and then other items over here that, you know, you may need in addition to what's in the big bonus box and these oils to make your different recipes. Usually anything else that's required to make the recipe is going to be something that generally most people will already have in their homes. So let's get in here and see what we've got. So this is a note from Katie, recipe formulator and certified aromatherapist. Hi friend, how are you feeling about your skin this month? This month's theme is Love Your Skin. In February, when I look in the mirror, I see all kinds of pale. My eczema is likely to flare up, and all my skin imperfections that were hiding behind my summer tan have been blaring out at me for the past couple of months. Can you relate to any of that? I can relate to being pale for sure. Well, no more. With this month's box, you can take control of your skincare to get beautiful, glowing skin. Plus, all your skincare recipes are non-toxic and made with natural ingredients. This Valentine's Day, as you celebrate love, be sure to celebrate yourself too. With great toxin-free skincare. Much love, Katie. That is fantastic. All right, so we have our different recipes. But let's start by taking a peek at what our 4 essential oils are. All right. Oh, actually here it tells us the charity they're working with this month. You're ending modern day slavery. This month, in purchasing this box, you are working with Disrupting Traffic to End Human Trafficking. 13% of all Simply Earth profits go to organizations working to end human trafficking. Disrupting Traffic seems to break the cycles of commercial exploitation by offering trauma-informed resources to those who are being taken advantage of. Their values include honoring each person, empowering the community to serve, working with other agencies with unity and transparency, and providing trauma-informed care to develop a safe place for survivors of human trafficking. Disrupting Traffic is located in Lincoln, Nebraska, and to learn more, you can visit their website at www.disruptingtraffic, and it's traffic.org. So there is that. All right. So we have our first oil here is fir needle. And it says uses energy, deodorizing, pain relief, decongestant. It says safety, always dilute before using it on your skin. It is safe for, this is one thing I really like. They tell you as far as kids and pets, because a lot of the times you may not know that certain essential oils are not safe for children or pets. So this is kid safe for ages 2 and up. It's pregnancy safe, and it is diffusing wise safe for cats and dogs. All right, and then we have frankincense. Fights germs, pain relief, mental clarity. Says safety, always dilute before using it on your skin. And this is kid safe 2 and up, pregnancy safe, and this is cat and dog safe for diffusing and use. And then we have Veins Blend, and this says warms, reduces appearance of spider veins. And this has cypress, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils. It says always dilute before using it on your skin. Kid safe 2 and up. Pregnancy safe is yes. Cat safe, it says diffuse but with caution. And for dogs, you can diffuse and use this on them. And then our 4th and final essential oil, it says coffee. Oh, warms and invigorates. It says always dilute before using it on your skin. Kids safe 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes. And cat and dog for diffusing. So that is awesome. I gotta smell this. I love coffee. Oh my gosh. That literally smells like the Starbucks drive-up window. I'm not even joking. Love it. Okay. So let's get into our different recipes and see what we have. So the first one here is a Veins sugar scrub, and you're going to use 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. And that is one of the items that would be in the big bonus box. And then 9 drops of the Veins essential oil blend, and then 1 sealable 8 to 10 ounce container. And then it goes over the different steps of making it. So there is that. And then the next one is a rose hydrosol bath. And this is 1 tablespoon of rose hydrosol, 1 cup of Epsom salt, and 1 sealable 8 ounce container. And here is the rose hydrosol, 100% pure organic rose hydrosol. This was one of the extras this month. Let me see on that one. It says it's a natural byproduct made in the process of distilling rose essential oil. It's filled with therapeutic properties and is water-based rather than oil-based like the essential oil. So there's that. And then we have an espresso diffuser blend. Yes, speaking my language. And this is going to be, in order to make this, you're going to put 1 drop of the coffee essential oil, 2 drops of frankincense essential oils, and a 5 milliliter bottle. Now, if you're gonna fill up the 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box, it would be 40 drops of coffee and 60 drops of frankincense. Otherwise, if you're just doing it for one diffusing session, it's the 1 drop of coffee to 2 drops of frankincense. All right, and then we have a clay and rose face mask. So that's gonna be 2 teaspoons of the rose hydrosol, 1 teaspoon of the French green clay, which we also got here this month, and then a 1 ounce sealable container. And again, it goes over all of the instructions step by step on how to make that. And then we have skin healing body butter. This is going to be 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 50 drops of the Vein essential oil blend, 1 teaspoon of the French green clay, and 1 sealable 6 ounce jar or container. Again, step-by-step directions. And then our final recipe is an alert roll-on, and this is going to be 2 drops of the Veins blend, 2 drops of the fir needle, and 2 drops of the coffee, 10 milliliter fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. This says once you've made it, the final, it says apply to pulse points for on-the-go energy that will help wake you up. So that was everything in the February 2020 Simply Earth box. So again, like I said, I will put a link down below and the promo code that will get you your first box for $39.99 plus the big bonus box and the $40 e-gift card to their site. So let me know your thoughts down below. I am seriously loving this coffee. I'm not kidding when I tell you that this literally smells like you pulled up to the drive-thru window at Starbucks and the window opened and you just got that like amazing coffee smell. If you don't love the smell of coffee, then that one may not be for you, but if you know it, if you love that smell and you don't come out, they made a way to put it in a bottle. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.